Hi my dazzlers, so today I'm going to show you how I recreate Disha Patani's makeup look. She has her own YouTube channel and I just saw this video and I was like, I should recreate this, for you guys so that you guys can see how easy it is to recreate any look. I love this look because it's pink and it screams summer. I know we cannot go out anywhere after we do this lovely pretty makeup, but it's the time to relax. This is how I relax. I love doing my makeup and I love spending time with myself doing makeup. Just stay safe, just follow what you're asked to do by the government. Just stay home. That's it. That's all you got to do. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that she's taking is a BB cream and applying it all over her face. I don't have a BB cream, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my favorite foundation with a moisturizer. So I'm going to take this Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion, and then I'm going to take this Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. I'm just going to mix it with this brush. This is by Plume. It's a foundation brush. And I'm going to apply it on my face. Okay, so she's taking a concealer next. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This one is in the shade Beige, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes. I normally apply two concealers, but today I'm just going to apply one. Today she's applying one. I don't think I'll apply it with a brush like she does because maybe it works for her, but a brush has never worked for me when it comes to concealer. I always use the sponge. I find that the sponge blends the concealer much better. Personally, for me, I noticed that she also applied it on top of her eyelids, so, and I would do that as well. I'm going to do it today. So now she's taking a translucent powder to set her under eye area. So I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro powder. I'm going to take my Sugar Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette, shade number 01, Flawless. And I'm going to take this shade. And I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes. And also on my lower lash line. She's taking a light pink shade and putting it all over her eyelids. Taking the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette, shade number Fantasy. I'm going to take this shade. So she's taking a flat brush and applying it all over her eyelids. Now she took a darker pink and applied it on the outer corners of her eyes. I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette and I'm going to apply this dark pink shade in the outer corners of my eyes. Okay, now I'm going to take I Love Revolution Rose Gold eyeshadow palette. I am going to take this shade, which is quite similar to what she's wearing. And I'm just going to apply it in the center of my eyelids. Since I don't have a red eyeliner, I'm going to take a red lip liner, and this is from Auric. It's the HiDefine lip liner in the shade Mystic Red, but this feels scary. But it looks great on her. I guess it's gonna look good on me too. Okay, now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is the Sugar Lash Mob Limitless Mascara, black with a bang. For contour, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. Now she's taking a pink blush. So I'm going to take this Sivanna Colors Ultra Blush Palette and I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to take Makeup Revolution Blush Palette. I'm going to take this highlighter and apply it. Now she's taking a liquid highlighter and I'm going to take this Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter. I'm going to take it at the back of my hand. She's applying it with her fingers. I'm going to do the same. She also applied the liquid highlighter on her brow bone area. And then she blended it with the sponge. Now she's doing her eyebrows with a brow gel. I don't have a brow gel, so I'm going to use my usual. This is the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Felix Onyx. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. My eyebrows are done. Next, she takes a lipstick. I'm going to use this MAC lipstick in the shade number 16 Fancy. This one is a beautiful dark pink. And now I'm going to take a glitter lip gloss. This one is from Color Bar. And this one is in the shade Luster. Oh my god, it smells like ice cream. And then she just runs over her makeup with a brush. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. I had so much fun recreating her makeup look, and it's amazing how we can recreate looks by just watching videos, and there's so much more to learn. You guys can also recreate my looks by just watching my videos and just following the steps. You guys don't exactly have to use the same products that I'm using. You guys can use whatever you have. So guys, stay home, do not go out, and stay safe. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.